How to replace the plate heat exchanger for fiber laser chiller CWFL-12000. First, remove the upper sheet metal of the chiller. Power off the machine and then locate the refrigerant charging port. Drain all the refrigerant in the machine. Cut away the thermal insulation cotton around the copper pipes above the plate heat exchanger. Use a soldering gun to heat the two connecting copper pipes. Then you can successfully detach the two water pipes connected to the bottom of the heat exchanger. Now, you can remove the old plate heat exchanger. Before installing the new heat exchanger, clean the installation area thoroughly, ensuring there are no foreign objects that could cause uneven installation. Wrap 10 to 20 turns of thread seal tape around the water pipe connecting port of the plate heat exchanger. Place the new heat exchanger in position. Make sure the water pipe connections are facing downward, and secure the two copper pipes using a soldering gun. Attach the two water pipes at the bottom, and tighten them with two clamps to prevent leaks. Finally, perform a leak test at the solder joints to ensure a good seal. Then recharge the refrigerant. For refrigerant quantity, you can contact our customer service team. Follow me for more TEYU S&A chiller maintenance tips.